Hey, stop! Are you still learning web development the old way? You know, endless tutorials, copying code line by line, hoping something just clicks? Trust me, I have been there, and it is a trap. Let us get real. Most people spend months, sometimes years, watching tutorials, collecting bookmarks, and building weather apps they never use. You finish one course, and then what? You feel like you know nothing. That is because you are learning backwards. Here is the truth. Web development is not about memorizing syntax or following step-by-step guides. It is about solving real problems. If you want to stand out, you need to switch things up. So here's what I wish I knew sooner. First, pick a simple project that excites you, not another to-do list, something you actually want to use. Maybe a portfolio, a recipe site for your mom, or a blog for your favorite hobby. The key? Make it personal. Now, instead of binging tutorials, start building. Yes, you will get stuck. That is the point. When you hit a wall, Google it, read the docs, ask ChatGPT. This is how you learn to solve real-world problems, by actually facing them. And do not be afraid to break things. I have crashed so many sites you would not believe it. But every bug taught me something new. Remember, mistakes are just stepping stones. Next, share your progress. Post screenshots, write blog posts, or tweet about your wins and fails. The tech community is super supportive, and you will get feedback that makes you better. Finally, focus on the basics. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Master these before jumping into fancy frameworks like React or Angular. It is like learning to cook. Do not try a 5-star dish before boiling water. So stop learning web development like everyone else. Start building, break things, and make it personal. That is how you become a real developer. If this helped, hit subscribe and let me know your first project in the comments.